If your living room looks like a jungle gym, you might have a future Olympian on your hands. Let's turn that energy into some serious fun. Physical activities are a blast. Try jumping rope, playing tag, or having a dance-off. Throw in some yoga for balance and relaxation. And if you've got a backyard, it's perfect for playing catch or flying a kite. Next up, boost those brains with puzzles, board games, and reading together. Get crafty with drawing, painting, or DIY projects. Music and dance can also stir up creativity and emotional expression. Don't forget social and emotional growth. Role-playing games can teach empathy, while mindfulness exercises help with focus and relaxation. Cooking together? That's fun and educational. And gardening can teach responsibility and patience. Healthy habits are key. Set regular routines, involve kids in meal prep, and manage screen time. Teach the importance of hydration and hygiene. Lastly, nurture curiosity with science experiments, building projects, and nature walks. These activities foster a love for learning and exploration. By incorporating these activities, you're creating a nurturing environment for your child's growth. Please like, subscribe, and share from Kids and Neurons.